spiritual teachers like Moses, Buddha, Jesus, Krishna, and Muhammad have been trying to inspire an age of wisdom for millennia. In an enlightened era, people uplift, empower, teach, and inspire each other. In an enlightened era, the health, wealth, happiness, intelligence, safety, and meaningful interconnection of its people are everyone's responsibilities. In an enlightened era, social and personal decisions are based on an ethics of love, compassion, generosity, and the consideration of each other's needs. In an enlightened era, communities strive for mutual understanding, tolerance, and value personal growth and collaboration as the keys to live worth living. All around the world, people are turning away from orthodoxy and are taking upon themselves their own work towards enlightening wisdom. People are discovering mutual wisdoms shared throughout history and are incorporating them into their own personal philosophies. This is nothing short of a spiritual revolution. The spiritual revolution is one in which enlightening spiritual exploration leads to progressive social development. To replace the old motivations, hangovers from the Industrial Revolution, and mass destruction and overconsumption, humanity is at a critical turning point. We have the choice of blindly accelerating the trends towards environmental and community devastation, or work together for global transformation into an age of wisdom. When enough people dedicate their lives to the enlightening evolution of humanity and work towards that goal every day, larger scale social change becomes possible. Nurturing our shared futures is the great work of liberation of the minds, hearts, bodies, and communities of humanity. This is the liberation of humanity from nothing less than freeing each other from educational, political, and physical slavery. In an enlightened era, creative education liberates us individually from ignorance, fear, greed, and hate. Global civilization is a development which should increase humanity's freedoms, yet the modern world has become machinery, enslaving billions and destroying our planet. We, like Moses, must together open the granaries of the wisdom of the ages, and finally modernly feed those starving for wisdom that work for us today, but also enable and teach all humans to spiritually nourish ourselves and each other for life. We are at the dawn of an awesome revolutionary transformation of life as we know it. Humanity has capabilities staggeringly beyond of anything else we have yet encountered. In the blink of an eye, we have unfolded possibilities to transform life from harsh and uncertain to easy and stable. With the possibilities for improvement limited only by our imaginations, will, and discipline. The great question, our dilemma, is do we choose only to be slaves to our material desires, subjects of our emotional impulses, or the dreams to utilize our uniqueness and explore the literally awesome potential we possess? We stand at a fundamental decision point, the crossroads of destiny. For perhaps the first time we lose the glint of the actual profundity of infinitely precious facts of unique existence, staggering vastness of the universe, and the bewilderingly expansive human creative potential each human brain can process more possible novel directions of thought and abstract conceptions that would sum the total of all of the atoms in the universe. Only now are we becoming aware of the magnitude of humanity's loss at the waste of countless lives historically.